Hello, myself Professor Shantay Gurmat, Department of Botany, MGC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Madhya Bihar, Karnataka State. Friends, today's class we discuss about nucleic acids. This is introduction. Nucleic acids are wonderful discoveries of modern times. They are universally present in the nucleus, the cytoplasm of all living cells, and are now definitely known to form the chemical basis of life. They are very complex organic compounds made of phosphate, pentose sugar, ribose sugar in RNA, and deoxyribose as in DNA, and nitrogen bases, purine and pyrimidines. Nucleic acid molecules are very large, even larger than protein molecules, and consists of infinite numbers of repeating nucleotide units linked in any sequence into a long chain. They are thus high polymers of nucleotides and have very high molecular weights. Depending on the sequence of nucleotide units in the chain, the nucleic acids may be of infinite variety of structures. A nucleotide is a molecular unit, means that is known as monomer of nucleic acid molecule, macro, and consists of three subunits: a phosphate, pentose sugar, and a nitrogen base. Then we discuss about the history of nucleic acids. Nuclein were discovered by in 1899 at the University of Tübingen, Germany. In the early 1880s, Albert Kossel and Friedrich Mischer further purified the substance and discovered its high acidic properties. He later also identified the nucleobases. In the year 1889, Richard Altman creates the term nucleic acid. In 1938, Astbury and Bell published the first X-ray diffraction pattern of DNA. In the year 1944, the Avery, Macleod and McCarthy experimenters show that the DNA is the carrier of genetic information. Nucleic acids are biopolymers or large biomolecules essential to all known forms of life. They are composed of nucleotides, which are the monomers, and made of three components: a carbon sugar, phosphate, and a group of nitrogen bases. The two main classes of nucleic acids are deoxyribonucleic acid, that's the DNA, ribonucleic acid, that's RNA. If the sugar is ribose, the polymer is RNA. If the sugar is ribose, derivative of deoxyribose, the polymer is DNA. Nucleic acids are naturally occurring chemical compounds that serve as the primary information carrying molecules in cells and make up the genetic material. Nucleic acids are found in abundance in all living things, where they create encode and then store information of every living cell of every life form on the earth. In turn, they function to transmit and express that information inside and outside the cell's nucleus to the interior operations of the cell and ultimately to the next generation of each living organism. The encoded information is contained and conveyed via the nucleic acid sequence, which provides the leader step ordering of nucleotides within the molecules of RNA and DNA. They play an especially important role in directing protein synthesis. Strings of nucleotides are bounded to form helical backbones, typically one for RNA and two for DNA, and assembled into a chains of base pairs selected from 5 primary or canonical nucleobases, which are adenine, cytosine, guanine, thymine, and uracil. Thymine occurs only in DNA and uracil only in RNA using amino acids and the process known as protein synthesis. The specific sequencing in DNA of these nucleobases base pairs enables storing and transmitting coded instructions as genes. In RNA, base pair sequencing provides for manufacturing new proteins that determine the forms and parts and most chemical processes of all life forms. In 1953, Watson and Crick presented the structure of DNA. Experimental studies of nucleic acids constitutes a major part of modern biological and medical research and form a foundation for genome and forensic science and biotechnology and pharmaceutical industries. Then we discuss about occurrence. The term nucleic acid is the overall name for DNA and RNA, members of a family, biopolymers, and is synonyms and polynucleotides. Nucleic acids were named for their initial discovery within the nucleus and for the presence of phosphate groups related to phosphoric acid. Although first discovered within the nucleus of eukaryotic cells, nucleic acids are now known to be found in all life forms, including with bacteria, archaea, mitochondria, chloroplasts, and viruses. There is debate as whether viruses are living or non-living. All living cells contain both DNA and RNA, except some cells such as mature red blood cells, while viruses contain either DNA or RNA, but usually not both. The basic component of biological nucleic acid is the nucleotide, each of which contains pentose sugar, ribose or deoxyribose, a phosphate group, and a nucleobase. Nucleic acids are also generated within the laboratory through the use of enzymes, DNA and RNA polymerase, and by solid phase chemical synthesis. The chemical methods also enable the generation of altered nucleic acids that are not found in nature, for example, peptide nucleic acids. Okay. Thank you, friends. We meet in the next video.